Good morning. Good morning, dear student. So yesterday we read and completed about the system software. Yes. So your chapter know your computer software. So three type computer software. First system software, and then application software, and third communication software. So yesterday we completed about the system software. So today we shall read about the application software. Application software. So student, application software that allows user to store information, create content and media, access information and communication. Okay, so because most of the process of the world now run on computer. Yes student, yes. So that there are many types of software to handle all the function that are required. Okay, so all software application have a specific hardware requirement. Application software utilizes the capacity of computer directly or to a dedicated task. It is used accomplished a specific task of computer. Yes, example, program written for financial accounting, payroll, inventory, production, planning, etc. So a variety of application software are available, a packaged software. So we can purchase this software from relevant vendors in retail store or on the web. Web means internet. Okay student? Yes, a software that comes with a new computer system or device such as a printer is called bundled software. So student, different types of application software. So application software is major type of computer software, and it is also called as end user program. This software is used to edit text, number and graphics, and utilizes the capacity of a computer for completion of tasks. So the application software include database program, so word process and spreadsheet, etc. Okay student, so we look about the types of application software. So first, word processing software. Word processing yes student, in the last class you read about the system software, yes, and then application software and communication software. So just revise about the system software. What is system software? So system software is a collection of program designed to operate the computer and control it. Okay student, clear? System software is a collection of program designed to operate the computer and control it. Yes, and system software program the basic function to start and operate the hardware component of the computer system. Yes, we are clear. The system software, and there's two types: system software, operating system, and utility software. So what is operating system? So operating system is a software program that deals with the functioning of the computer and its peripheral. Okay, student, clear? So operating system is an interface between user, computer, and outside the world. And different type operating system: multi-user, multi-threading, multitasking, and multiprocessing, and real-time, and GUI. And last, systems software, utility software. Okay, so clear about the system software. So today we shall discuss about the application software. Okay, so this is a part of a software. So student, first word processing software, and then spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. And third, your database software. Database okay. And your fourth, presentation software. Presentation software. And your last, multimedia software. Multimedia software. Yes, student. So these are major type of application software: word processing software, spreadsheet software, database software, presentation software, and multimedia software. Student, okay, clear? Note that. So student, first we shall take the first application software, word processing software. Okay, so a word processor is a program used to type document. Yes, and document can be saved, closed, and can be opened again to continue following working on them. Yes, so the keyboard of a word processor is similar to that of a typewriter. Yes, so but its capabilities extend far beyond the typewriter. For example, we don't have to press the return or enter key at the end of every line. Yes, so in word processing, the line wrap around when it reaches the margin we have set at and allow you to continue typing without stopping. Yes, so we only press enter when we want to start a new paragraph or insert blank lines. If we make a mistake while typing, us backspace or delete to erase it. And there are many commercial word processing programs including Microsoft. Yes, student. So Microsoft provided to us word processing software. So open Office Writer and other. So Windows comes with WordPad to edit and format document, and Notepad to edit text, and that with text edit or simple text in previous version. So word processing, student, that's example. Student, word processing, the example of WordPad and Notepad. Yes, student. So then after spreadsheet software. So spreadsheet are used to work with financial information. Okay. So you know, student, what the work of word processing software? Yes, so we can write data and information without deleting any file and without deleting any line, okay, and make it edit some data and information, okay, student? Yes, and we can erase also the line, data and information, and saved also, but this function is not with typewriter, okay. Yes, so and next, spreadsheet. So spreadsheet are used to work with financial information. So spreadsheet layout in numbered row and column. Yes, student. So this is row, and this is a column. Okay. Yes. So where the row and column intersect is called cell. So suppose your column and row intersect. So this is cell. Okay, student. Yes. So the first cell is in spreadsheet is at the intersection of column and row, okay. So and is referred to as a cell. So some commercial spreadsheet are Microsoft Excel. Yes, so very popular application software in spreadsheet is MS Excel. Okay, student? Yes. So that open sources of the spreadsheet software by Windows. Okay. Yes, so that is a free to download and use, and tax and accounting software are also spreadsheet, but are designed to provide tools and utilities which help to get the specific job done. And third, your database. So database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. So the purpose of this software is to organize and manage the data, okay. And the advantages of this feature, this software, is that we can change where data is stored and displayed. So that's MS Access. MS Access, and then your Fox Pro, Oracle, Fox Pro, and then Oracle was the some example was database software. Okay, student, and then your fourth application software, presentation software. So presentation software is a category of application program used to create sequence of word and picture that tell a story or help support a speech or public presentation of information. Yes, the presentation can be viewed as slide, sometimes called a slide show. So that display on a large monitor or on a projection screen. Okay, so the individual page of presentation is called slide. Yes, so the slide way be incorporated with the text, graphics, sound, movie, etc. Okay, and that's to help me viewer to understand the topic. The presentation graphic software also has pre-drawn clip art image, so which can be inserted into slide and can be modified. So the Microsoft PowerPoint is an example of presentation software. MS PowerPoint. Student, I hope that you are used in PowerPoint software. Okay, so this is not for new software for you. So because having your last class and some more topic with the PowerPoint, how to change the color, how to change the design, and how to make a presentation. Okay, yes, and what is slide and what is slide show. I hope that you know well. And your last application software type, multimedia. So multimedia, so media player and real player are the example of multimedia software. So this software we allow the user to create audio and video. So the difference form of multimedia software are audio converts, player, burner, video, encoder and decoder. Okay, yes, so that's a example, audio and video. Okay, student, yes, so that's is complete of application software. And one more left. Which software? Communication software. So what is communication software? communication software deals with transfer of data, instruction and computer and command with other computer. So that's communication software. So communication software deals with transfer of data, information and instruction and command with other computer. So it is most commonly used software send and receive information on the internet. So it also allows for sending and receiving data. So the computer file can also be transferred from the computer to another through this software. So communication software bring we the latest news, the best communication software solution. So different type communication software. First, email software, and second, wireless software, and your third is broadcast software, and fourth, internet communication software, internet communication software, and fifth, instant communication software, instant and the sixth, voicemail software, voicemail software, and then messaging software, messaging and then 8, SMS communication software, SMS communication. Okay, student. So these are major type of communication software. First, email. So email, all types for email software, just Gmail, Yahoo Mail. Okay, yes. So by email software you can send the message, okay, and then file, okay, data we send to other place. And wireless software, so all type of wireless software related that software. And last, broadcast software. So broadcast including MP3, audio recording and call recorder software, and internet communication software. So all type of internet communication software. and then instant communication software, all type of web-based instant messaging software, voicemail software. So voicemail software, solution and recording, and messaging software. That's all type of messaging and related program, and SMS messaging related program messaging. Then software, short message send. Okay. So you know, here are many types communication software. Yes, student. So clear? Of the communication software. So student, in the next class we shall read about the question answer. Student, yes, so you are ready for the question answer. Thank you so much.